Eco filter cartridge replacement can be done on the pipe or off the pipe. Replacement consists of 5 steps for detectors in service. 1 step for those that are uninstalled. First, record the detector raw airflow for comparison to post-filter replacement. Then power down the detector, remove and replace the filter cartridge, and renormalize the eco detector. Compare raw airflow to the previous setting. To start, use VSC to record raw airflow. In this case, 64. Remove power from the detector. Then, using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the eco lid from the body. With the lid removed, remove the sensor cartridge by pulling it straight out, and then pull the filter cartridge assembly from the sensor cartridge. Some force will be needed. If the filter assembly remains in the body and it's not on the pipe, push it out from behind. Otherwise, a tool will be needed or may be needed to remove the filter from the detector. The filter will be damaged, but it is to be replaced. Confirm that the flow sensor, the small tab in the center, still sticks straight up and has not been bent. Gently adjust if needed. Now fit the new filter assembly in the cartridge. It is keyed to go in only one way and it snaps in place. Reinstall the sensor cartridge in the eco body and replace the lid. For working eco, complete the job by renormalizing and then comparing the raw airflow to the previous number. It should always be greater than 40 and is typically higher than the original setting. Thanks for your time.